Forecasters at the National Hurricane Center think a disturbance in the middle of the North Atlantic will turn into a cyclone this week, setting the stage for what could become the first tropical storm in almost 2 months, as the Atlantic Ocean faces a historic lull in summertime storm activity day. If no tropical storms or hurricanes develop before Thursday, this will be the first August since 1997 without a named storm, Bloomberg and The Washington Post note. Over the last 30 years, the Atlantic has typically faced its sixth named storm by August 29, with 2 hurricanes usually developing by late August, according to NHC figures. The Atlantic hurricane season has been in a months-long lull. The last named storm in the Atlantic Ocean, known as Tropical Storm Colin, formed off the Carolinas on July 2, and a handful of potential tropical storm threats have fizzled this month. No hurricanes and only 3 tropical storms have developed this year, compared to 4 hurricanes and 7 tropical storms by this point in 2021, which was one of the most active hurricane seasons on record. The summer slowdown comes even though forecasts earlier this year suggested the 2022 hurricane season could approach the 21 named storms that were tallied in 2021. Some experts have linked the 2-month lull in storm activity to a wave of dust that has blown from the Sahara Desert to parts of the Atlantic, bringing both dry air and high wind shear, or changes in wind speed, both of which tend to hamper hurricane development. The hurricane season hasn't reached its zenith yet, and a spike in activity is still possible. Hurricane and tropical storm activity usually peaks in mid-September, the NHC says, and last year's season also faced a lull for part of July and August. Earlier this month, forecasters at Colorado State University predicted 18 named storms, including 8 hurricanes and 4 major hurricanes that reach Category 3 status, will form in the Atlantic this year, while the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration forecasted 15 to 21 named storms.